In this video, we'll take a look at advanced binarization to help us clean up images before they're routed through to other workflows within the organization. Within the settings environment, we have the ability to load sample files. So in this case, we'll be loading a couple of different sample files, and be sure to save any changes you make. So the image processing tab is new and allows us to preview the effects of the image processing. Advanced binarization gives us three settings: the thresholding, the sensitivity, and the edge smoothing. Without it, we can see the type of image quality we would expect. So with it, it's doing a much cleaner job in removing background noise. And we can preview it in this environment before selecting our final settings to pass on for any documents found in a particular folder. Now we'll take a look at a different document which has a different set of background challenges. And again, we'll use the 2D binarization, and by increasing or reducing the sensitivity, we can see the quality of the image that's going to start coming through for us. And again, any files found in the folder associated with this profile will be processed in according to these settings.